Hello, dear students. Welcome for this session. This session is for BBA third semester additional English. In last two sessions, we have discussed Act 1 and Act 2 of the play Final Solutions respectively. And in this session, we shall discuss Act 3, which is the last act of this play. So, as revealed by Smita, Javed is connected or Javed is related to a terrorist organization. So, in this connection, Ramnik starts asking Javed about his involvement in terrorism in a teasing manner. So, Ramnik inquires at Javed about his involvement in terrorism or terrorist activities. But Javed becomes furious and he yells hot words, means Javed becomes very angry with Ramnik because Ramnik inquired about his involvement in terrorism and Javed did not like this. Then Ramnik angrily slaps Javed and Bobby and rushes to calm them down. So Ramnik becomes very much angry and he slaps Javed and also Bobby, and then he rushes to calm them down. So all this is happening in Ramnik's home or Ramnik's house. Bobby then tells that when they were young, Javed happened to touch a letter of his Hindu neighbor who abused the farmer badly. So at this point, Bobby reveals an important incident which took place in the life of Javed in the past. So Bobby tells that when Javed was a young person, he touched a letter of his Hindu neighbor, and that Hindu neighbor of Javed did not like this act and he abused Javed very badly. Then Javed got angry and after some days threw pieces of beef meat in his house. So all this has happened in the life of Javed in the past. So Javed was very much angry with his Hindu neighbor, and so he threw pieces of beef meat in the house of that Hindu, and that person came to Javed's house and abused him harshly. So that Hindu man or that Hindu neighbor of Javed again came to Javed's house and abused him harshly. So this particular incident took place in the life of Javed in the past, and now Bobby reveals this to Ramnik. Then telling the story means after telling about this particular incident, Bobby adds that Ramnik's community is partially responsible for making him so. So Bobby argues that Ramnik's community, that is Hindus, are partially responsible for making Javed a terrorist, because prior to that incident, means prior to the incident with that Hindu neighbor, Javed was the hero of his locality, means Javed was a very good person, but that one particular incident changed his life or changed his behavior forever. So Bobby and Javed now decide to leave. They want to leave Ramnik's house. Ramnik, desiring to make Javed accept his job at any cost, threatens them by saying that he will call the police. But here Ramnik wants Javed to accept his job offer, and so he threatens Javed that if he leaves he would call the police. So Ramnik wants Javed to accept the job. Javed first bursts into laugh, but after listening to this, Javed burst into a laughter and then tells that, or then he reveals a very shocking fact that he was ordered to kill the Pujari in the name of jihad. Means Javed was told by his organization, terrorist organization, to kill the Pujari in the name of jihad. So this particular fact Ramnik did not know. He reached the chariot. So Javed tells what happened on the particular day of Rath Yatra. So he reached the chariot in order to kill the Pujari, and he tried to stab the Pujari. Stab means to kill with a knife, but the latter begged, means the Pujari requested Javed for mercy, and thus he became still. And when the Pujari requested at Javed not to kill him, Javed became still, means he did not kill the Pujari. So this is a shocking revelation by Javed that these two boys had come to Amargaon in order to create tension between Hindus and Muslims by killing the Pujari, but they actually did not kill the Pujari, or Javed actually did not kill the Pujari because the Pujari begged for his life. Further, Javed also reveals that all his passion died and he threw away the knife, means the knife which he had carried to kill the Pujari, he threw it away, but someone in the crowd took it and stabbed the Pujari to death. Means someone in the crowd lifted the knife and stabbed the Pujari to death. When Ramnik learnt this, he is moved and calls Javed brave. So after learning this fact, Ramnik calls Javed a brave boy. Smita comes and apologizes for exposing him. Meanwhile, Smita comes to the scene and she apologizes Javed for revealing the fact about him. After a while, Aruna comes, and after ensuring that it is safe to go outside, thinks of bringing water. So Aruna comes, she ensures that the tension outside has subsided, and she goes outside, thinks of going outside to bring water. Smita suggests taking help of the Bobby, but Aruna, being strict in her religious matters, condemns Smita for such a suggestion. Means Aruna did not like the idea of taking the help of Bobby to bring water, and thus both the mother and the daughter fall into an argument. An argument starts between the mother and daughter, and Smita exposes Aruna's blind faith and challenges them. So Smita did not like her mother Aruna's behavior. She tries to expose how Aruna is orthodox or how she is superstitious. She exposes her blind faith. Further, Aruna, being astonished for the queer behavior of her daughter, is quite shocked. Aruna is very much shocked at the behavior of her daughter. While in chaos, she goes to take bath. Aruna goes to take bath. Smita, Bobby and Javed, these three people go out to bring water. Through their discussion, one more important fact is revealed, that once Smita and Bobby loved each other, but due to communal problems, they had to separate. Means once Smita and Bobby loved each other, but because they belong to different religions, they had to separate. So this fact is revealed. Later, Bobby became a fiancé of Javed's sister Tasneem. You know this fact, that after breaking up with Smita, Javed decided to marry Javed's sister. Bobby decided to marry Javed's sister, that is Tasneem, and all the three friends, they become frank and they start cracking jokes with each other, and even they throw water on each other. Means irrespective of their religions, they just enjoy the company of each other. Then meanwhile Daksha or Hardika, who was memorizing how she was beaten by her husband for visiting Zarain's house, scolds Javed and wishes that, like her father, his sister should also suffer. So here Hardika, who was formerly known as Daksha, she remembers one particular incident from her early life in which her husband had beaten her because she had visited Zarain's house, and now Hardika, that is Daksha, scolds Javed and she wishes that like her father who was killed by Muslims, his sister should also suffer, that is Tasneem should also suffer. But Ramnik requests her mother not to blame them. Ramnik requests her mother not to blame Muslims. So when Aruna comes out after taking bath, Bobby does a very daring act. What does he do? He unexpectedly goes in the small temple in that house, and in spite of denial by Aruna, he respectfully takes the idol in his hands and talks about communal harmony and keeps back in its place. So Bobby touches the idol of Hindu god and he speaks about the communal harmony and he keeps the idol back in its place. Aruna did not like this act of Bobby touching her god. Both of them then go away. A little later, Ramnik reveals one more important fact, a shocking fact, that how he, his father and his grandfather burned the shop of Zarain's father. So in the past, that is in the post-partition riots, Ramnik, his father and his grandfather had burnt the shop of a Muslim family, that is Zarain's father, in order to buy it at a reduced price in the name of communal hatred. So this is the fact which Hardika did not know until now, and now he repents over his past deeds. He desires not to visit his shop again, so he desires not to go to his shop again because that shop originally belonged to a Muslim family, and thus the play final solution ends without any solution to these communal issues that have remained in the society since ages. So the problem of communal disharmony between the Hindus and Muslims is an age-long problem, and still this problem has not got any final solution. So this is how the play final solution ends here. Thank you.